Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super cool feature from wondershare Filmora 14 that makes captioning your videos an absolute breeze. You know how adding captions is time consuming and animating them word by word can be a hassle. Well, Filmora 14 AI-powered captioning tool promises to handle both in just a few clicks. Let's check it out, okay? So first, before we start, if you don't have Filmora 14 installed, head over to their official site to grab their latest version. I got the link down in the description. Once installed, you are all set to start creating animated captions with Filmora 14 AI captions. All right, so I've got a clip here, okay? I want to add the captions too. Now, to access the speech to text feature, you just need to right click on the video or audio track you're working with, the select speech to text. Here you go, that's the one here, okay? And you can choose that option, okay? Alternatively, you can go to the titles menu, right, just over here, and click on AI captions like that, okay? And then choose speech to text. That's over here, okay? It's super simple. Here's where it gets even better. Filmora lets you select from over 40 languages over here. Okay, I'll show you now. I'll show you like this. Okay, so it's over 40 languages you can use this to transcribe from. Okay. So no matter your language, you are covered. And if you need a translation, you have 23 languages to choose from, just over here. Okay, if you want to translate it. All right. So you can even decide to describe just a part or all the clips of the whole timeline. Okay, Filmora gives you two main options for caption styles. If you choose SRT, okay, it will generate simple standard captions just like you see on most of the videos. But if you go with the titles, okay, here, Filmora will create these dynamic animated captions which add so much more energy and professionalism into your videos. Okay, so now let's talk the customization, but before we do that, all right, so I just have to go and click generate and wait for a minute before it's been completed. Now, before we start generating our captions, okay, I just want to guys show you my setup here in Filmora 14. There is add automatic active words available. Okay, I like to choose this one. Okay, but if you choose this one, the titles are automatically been selected. Okay, so the SRT is not available here. I like this option. I'm gonna to show you how to use it just now. Now let's talk about the customization. Once your captions are generated, you can jump in and tweak them. Okay, so before we do that, we just have to go and highlight them all. Okay, that's what, or you can, if you want, you can highlight the particular caption, but I want to highlight them all. Okay, and you can start tweaking them. All right, so you want to change the font, adjust the size, you got it. Okay, you can even choose the color. Okay, you know, everything you can do that here. Okay, and style to match your brands. There is also an active words. All right, you can choose and mark the active words feature that lets you highlight the certain words to keep your audience attention right where it's needed. Okay, you want to emphasize a keyword, just select them and you will see options for emphasizing and merging words in if you want to phrase them for flow together. Okay, I like this particular one. Okay, this is my favorite feature. Okay, when it comes to the templates, look how many templates are available here. And if you want to choose one of those, you can just simply go ahead and click on them. And then once you click on this or that one, you know, you just go and click on edit. All right, and now once you edit them, all right, so let's say that we want to go ahead, let's go and play. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you see how those you know, captions are being shown on the screen? That's no problem. They are too big for you, it's no worries at all. Let's make them a little bit smaller. There we go. Now we change it over to 20 and they are much smaller here. The other thing is that you can always move those captions up and down, you know, anywhere in the screen you want it. Okay, So let's say that you want to do it that way. That's fine. Those captions will appear here. Obviously, the captions are much more clearly visible once they are there on down there. But look, it's everything up to you. You know, it's fully customizable, so you can go ahead and do that all. Okay, let's go and apply to that to all. Okay, and all those features will be available here across the scene. Okay, but remember, okay, you need to highlight them all first. Okay, I highlighted the ones, but then once I start tweaking them, you know, the full highlight, the full selection is gone. That's why I have to go highlight them all. Once again, go to templates, choose your template, go edit. Okay, let's say that we want to go ahead with the 20. That's not a problem at all. And we just go and click highlight, apply to all. And now when we start today, I've got something really exciting for all the content creators, podcasters, and video enthusiasts out there. There we go. Can you see it? I believe that is awesome. Okay, this the whole captions is really captioning the whole age and every word very precisely. Obviously, you can go and do some tweaks here and there because you know Filmora might not be very precise, but in time when I'm using it, they are nearly like 99.9% right every time. You know, it's picking up the right words, okay, and it's putting it in the right spot. Okay, I think that's absolutely that is absolutely amazing. Okay, you can also change the background options, you know, just let you add the background color just behind certain words to make them pop even more if you want to do it. You know, you can adjust the color opacity, and even add rounded edges to the background if you want. That's all it's available here. Really neat for giving your captions a unique look. Okay, so once you finish customizing your captions, you are ready to export your video. Okay, so as I said here, you know, Filmora 1400 is a very heavy lifting for you. So in just a few minutes, you got a professional looking video with animated captions that will keep your audience engaged. And that's it. If you are looking for a speed up to speed up your workflow while adding some eye-catching captions, Filmora's 14 AI captioning tool is definitely worth a try. Let me know in the comments if you are used it and what you think. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content on boosting your creative project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.